up? Today I'm here with RPGHair OG. Same packaging as always. If you've been following, you know. So go ahead, open the box. And today, as I open the box, this slid out. It's a comb, one of those edge brushes. Wig cap, one of their branded tail combs, rat tail combs, saying RPG. Extra elastic band. Flyaway wax stick. We got the hair. And we got our pamphlet as usual with the hair care, all those good stuff. Yes. So this is the hair that we're working with today. This is a natural hair color. It's 16 inches long. It's 150% in density. And this is a kinky straight texture. Okay. It's also 360. Did I mention that? It's a 360 silk top wig. Okay, so there's lace right across, but like in the center portion, this area here has silk, so it will look even like more realistic when it's parted specifically in that area. So you see, it looks so much like scalp, looks so realistic. I love that. Yes, so this is actually the hairline. I wish the hairline was plucked a little bit more. It's not pre-plucked, definitely not pre-plucked. So I'm going to have to go into this and pluck it. So I'd love for them to pre-pluck. I hope in the future they'll like pre-pluck this one. But yeah, so as I said, 360. So standard cap construction, has adjustable straps in the back and has 3 combs in total. It's a 1B color. As I said, it's a natural color. It's 16 inches. Today I feel like I want to give this an updo style. So that's what I'm actually going to do. So let's go ahead and jump into the installation. Guys, I had to definitely go in and pluck the hairline and pretty much finish. I had to make it look more natural. So bear in mind that this specific one won't come pre-plucked, okay? So you'll definitely have to do that. If you want to see a video on how to pluck your wigs, I'll link a couple down below. So now I can proceed to actually applying this. By the way, guys, I don't know if you noticed, but I got my brows microbladed. And if you want to see like a little bit of the process of how that went for me, you can go ahead and check out my vlog channel, Petite-Sue TV. So you can head on over there. The vlog is now live. It's vlog number 10, I believe. So go ahead and check it out. I'm loving them. Literally, I just got them done yesterday. So they're very much fresh. We're not talking about that. I'm just telling you, go ahead and check it out over my vlog channel, and then you can hear more about it. But yeah, I'm really loving the shape. It's really nice. My lashes need to be done. I know, my fusion lashes, like 4 over this eye, 5 over the L. It's a mess. But I'm gonna let it do what it do, because I'm not gonna get a refill on that right now. I don't feel like to. I want to play around with my strip lashes. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the application. So this is how this is looking. It doesn't look bad at all. I'm going to actually install this with my got to be today. As I said, I feel like doing a updo kind of vibe with this. Also, by the way, guys, again, just reminding you, whenever I'm using my got to be, even when I'm using my glue, I always use my dryer on cool air, not hot. Okay, that it would not even stick at all. So just bear that in mind.
about losing control? I'ma show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with somebody's daughter. Yeah, she loving me. Say she love the way my chain sit and contemplate. And of course it says my name if you wanna wait. To let you know who's finna blow. Always winning, check the scope. I'm only losing control. Oh, I like losing control. I get high when I'm feeling my flow. My mind is focused and I'm ready to go. Ready to go. Nah, nah.
So one's up, one more to go. I kind of just hold the elastic band around it to keep the edges laid. So I didn't do it too tight because I didn't like use any of the got-to-be to kind of like secure the back. I'm just using the comb. So yeah, now we're gonna proceed to making the bun. That's so cute, guys. Oh, shout out to Shammy. This is a Shammy inspired hairstyle. That's my sister, if you don't know. She loves doing her hair in 2 buns. So shout out to you. So the back, I did it like messy because the back doesn't have like the silk top. It doesn't have the silk going right throughout the wig. It's not a full lace wig. So that's the reason why I did it like that. That's the finished look of the wig. My brows are not filled in or anything. I barely touch. I didn't touch them. I don't touch them none at all. I kind of just worked around them. If you want to know, just watch my vlog. Go ahead and watch my vlog. So yeah, I love this. That's so cute. And because it's a 360, it makes it so convenient. I love this. RPGHair. Shout out to you. The silk top is definitely giving me everything I need to get. It is. So I'm going to put all the information down below in the description box. So if you guys want it, you can go ahead and get it for yourself. And as I said before, it's 16 inches, so it was really easy to work with. The texture is really easy to work with. And I did this parting so I could show off the scalp. I could show off the lace. It's so nice. Yeah, it's a very playful look, so I love that about it. I really do. I really do. That's pretty much it for today's video though. Let me know if you enjoyed this video. It's a different kind of vibe, you know. It's just nice. It's really nice. It's gorgeous, you know. So that's it. Thumbs it up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Go ahead and check out my vlog channel, Petite-Sue TV, as mentioned before. And I have so much more videos coming up. You don't want to miss out. So just go and stay tuned. Go and big up on yourself. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, bye.
Show you how we lose control, baby. Watch this. Look, Marty Mark. Watch the way I start up. I've been going hard, but I can go way harder. Every beat I'm on, yeah, you know that I slaughter. And I'm always looking gorgeous, chilling with